Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 Pro Limited Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page. And on the profile page, you should see the list of my devices. And on it, there should be AMAZFIT GTR 3 Pro Limited Edition. Tap on it to select it. On this page, find the option called Watch Faces and select it. And once the Watch Face store opens, we need to find the Customize background category. Once you find it, tap on Find More, and it will open the whole category here. And we have 5 types of the custom background. We have the time bottom, time center, time left, time right, and time top. Select the one you like. For example, I'm gonna select the time top. You can also change the style here once you select the type of the watch face. And then, once you select the style you prefer, you can scroll down, and here we have change the background of the watch option. And we can basically add the background to our watch face. To do it, tap on the plus button, and you have 2 options, take a photo and photos. If you tap on the take a photo option, it will open the camera app, and you can take a photo with your phone and use it as a watch face. And the photos app option, it opens the file manager or photo browser, and basically we can select the photo from our phone. I'm gonna use the second option. Go to albums, downloads, and here look for something. And for example, let's say I want this as my watch face. So I'm gonna tap on it. And here we have a preview. Basically we need to crop the image because the whole image won't fit on the watch face. And what we can do, we can zoom out and zoom in and move left and right. And once you select the part of the picture you like, you can tap on select. And if you go to the top, you will see the preview. You can also, I believe, add another picture. So let's say photos. Let's see if it's gonna work. On most of the watches it does. You can have multiple pictures as a background, but it looks like on this one you can't, so my bad. So you can only have one picture. And once you see the preview of the picture, you can tap on sync. You're gonna start downloading and then synchronizing to your watch. And once it's done, it's gonna be applied on your watch, as you can see. So unfortunately, you can have only one picture as a watch face because usually on the other watches you can have multiple, even up to 8 pictures, and then you can simply tap on the current watch face to cycle between them. And of course, once you're done setting up your watch face, you can close the app, and that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.